Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really, really well. Today I have some unboxings for you. And it came like this and I was like, what the hell is that? I ripped open one side and I've remembered that I signed up to Roccabox. And they had a really good deal over the Black Friday weekend, so I signed up to Roccabox. I don't know if I'm going to get the December box or if I'm going to get the November box, but I also got a mystery box. So which one is which? What are you? Are you... doesn't say. Are you going to say? Oh, so this, okay, this is the December box, which we'll open in a minute. And this is a mystery box. And I'm giving this one away because I feel nice. That was the reason I bought this one. It was just a £10 to pay for extra for a random mystery box, which I chose to do. So this is up for grabs. I'll leave all the details down below if you want to win it. I will pick a winner. This is going to be UK only because I want to try and get it to someone before Christmas. I will pick a winner. What day is it today? It is the 9th of December. I will pick a winner on the 18th of December. And I will post it out first class, and you should get it on the week running up to Christmas. But yeah, what do I want to know? I don't even know. Just tell me something nice. Tell me something nice down below. Subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it if you want. Don't be pissed off at me because there's cats running around in the background causing fucking chaos. So let's jump in. This is the mystery box that's up for grabs. We've got a vitamin C Fix cleanser. I've got this upstairs and I fucking love it. It's really nice. Nip Fab is one of my favourite skincare brands. Vegan and cruelty free. And this is a really nice cleanser. We've got... It's the only thing I hate about mystery boxes is, you know, they don't ever tell you what's in them. Is it called L'Occitane? L'Occitane? I've never had anything from them before, and I still haven't because I'm giving this away. But this is a concentrate gelée, so like a milk concentrate with almond from Provence. This melting cream applies to the skin to look firmer and smoother. Apply morning and evening to the whole body. Let's have a smell. Oh, I can't smell it. I can't smell it. We've got Hawaiian Tan Mineral SPF, which is nice. Obviously not, you might not want to use it all the time, but you should still wear SPF, even in the winter when it's cloudy. So do that. I wear it in my moisturiser. Next we've got a little Coral Blusher and Sunkissed Highlighter kit. This is by May, M-A-Y-Y. That's really cute. I'm not going to open it because this one's sealed and this is for somebody. But that's really cute. So you've got a blush and then a highlight. So you've got like a peachy blush. It looks orange on there, but it's not that orange in real life. It's kind of like a peachy brown blush and then a champagne-y highlighter. And then we've got a brush. We've got My Precise Crease. This is My Kitco Pro, number 120. That looks like a really nice crease brush where you can get like right in the details to put your dark colour down and then blush and smudge it out. So yeah, if you want to win, pop all the details down below. You know the drill. So, bam, I signed up for 6 months of Roccabox just because it was such a good deal. I tried to get the 12-month, but it was sold out, which was annoying. But let's get this. So it says, created with love by our beauty experts. Welcome to Roccabox. We've had a glow up. A monthly beauty discoveries delivered to your door from the best brands on the block. It's like this, and then you go, bam. I don't want to point it backwards, but it's cute. I think I got this, so it was £14 a month. I think if I'd have done the 12-month one, if it had been there, it would have been £13 a month. So still a good deal. But this says, Winter Wishlist. Working behind the scenes at Roccabox means that all year round we get to try out the very best beauty the world has to offer. But this doesn't mean that we don't have our own beauty wish lists constantly growing in our minds. They're usually full of products that we're yet to and desperate to try, or products that our own skin, hair and body seem to be craving. Our current wish list, collectively we will call them our winter wish list, look a lot like checklists of must-have beauty products to navigate the winter. Making it onto our winter wish list isn't easy. We want hard-working skincare known for its ability to calm and nourish, hybrid products that can inject pallid skin with a season defined glow. We expect makeup that will be able to see us through every single date in our expensive diaries. We like additions that can bring drama and glamour to our makeup bags. A red nail gloss is always on there. And there will always be a request for a hydrating hero, one that can be relied to plump out prune like winter skin. This month we're bringing you the very products that have made it onto our own personal winter wish lists. This box is worth over £100 and brings your skincare saviours you'll need to get you through the winter. So let's have a look. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Very excited. You can't see anything in it. It's like, oh, it's a surprise. The first thing I've got is Blur. Cruelty-free, lovely stuff. Beauty Blur by Dr. Cosmeceuticals. It's a little one, but it says, this is basically a photo finish skin in a tube. Use on bare skin or under makeup for this velvety gel blurs the appearance of pores. Ooh, that sounds nice. £89? Fucking hell. That full size? 30ml. I'll put it on screen if that's full size. 89 quid. Shitting hell. My camera battery's about to die. I'm trying to be quick. Use a tiny bit, Lucy, because it's £89. So it's just like a gel. I was expecting it to feel like dimethicone and it doesn't. Oh, it smells good though. It doesn't feel like anything on my skin. So that's exciting to try. We've got an Emma Hardy Morning Cleansing Balm, which says, replacing your usual liquid cleanser or cleansing foam with a cleansing balm is a worthwhile move during the winter months. Nicknamed Spa in a jar, this buttery soft balm will melt away all traces of makeup. £10. Lovely stuff. I've got some Figs and Rouge Wonder Love Charm. This is, oh my god, that Blur thing was full size, 89 quid. This is full size. Glow Elixir. Intensify your natural glow with this unique product. It's an elixir. So a serum makeup hybrid that treats your complexion naturally with skin nourishing ingredients. Thirsty winter dry skin will drink up the hydrating formula. That sounds very nice. I feel like I've had this before, but I think it's cruelty free as well. Vegan and cruelty free, get the fuck in. And then we've got a little teeny weeny tube. Elavou Hydrating Serum, no animal testing. Get in. Get down with your bad self, Roccabox. Award-winning serum tops our winter wish list for its super hydrating benefits. Hyaluronic acid, all the good stuff. £24. This is a deluxe mini. And then the last thing I've got, Binksy, do not knock that photo off. It's a Larizzi palette. And it says, full size, £25. This is an artistry palette in the shade, or the name is Burnt. For your days out, dates in and everything in between, this full-size eyeshadow palette has you covered. For the uninitiated, this is a best-selling makeup artist's favourite, with 5 buildable colours. Oh my god, they're beautiful. That is a bit of me. They look so nice. I'm going to use those tomorrow. They're lovely. I've used Larizzi ones as well before and they're really nice. So a little, it's a nice deep brown. Look at that. So pretty. I love it. Let me know what you think. Enter the giveaway and I'll see you soon. I love you, bye.